Hey guys, Chase Down here with Nick Ogilvy, and we're with Lux Blades out of Houston, Texas. And today we are launching the new Turf Power Sweep and bringing it to market just for you guys, installers just like us.
Yeah, so what we thought about doing is, if you watch Turfed Out on YouTube, you know that Chase and I are coming up with different ways for the artificial turf industry to make money. Because especially last year, when the economics and stuff like that, we had to figure out different ways to make money. So now that maintenance is becoming a big deal in the artificial turf industry, I've been doing this. I've been in the artificial turf industry for a little over 20 years. And so this is really exciting because you had the brooms that had the cords before, and it was just a nuisance, right?
Yeah.
So,
well, I think a lot of times, whenever people spend a significant amount of money on their backyard or front yard, whatever it may be, right? Their initial thought process whenever they first do it is, well, I don't want to pay more money to maintenance it. The whole reason I'm putting artificial turf in is because I don't want to maintenance it, right? So selling them on a turf package right off the rip may not always be the best idea. And so allowing your consumers to purchase a broom that's branded for you guys, to do their own maintenance is really just another opportunity to, raise your brand recognition, but also provide a service to them without necessarily having to do anything physically labor as a company.
Yeah. So what we're doing as in our company is we're going to take these and say, we would love to provide you a power broom with every installation. So now you're setting yourself apart from the competition, right? Because you're be giving this. Now we have several different options on how we can brand this for you. We're all about helping out the turf community. And so we want to white label this as much as possible for you guys, so that way you can make more money. Tell them a little bit about what we're going to do.
Yeah, so the way it would work, guys, is we would sell these brooms to you at a very good wholesale price. So these brooms retail for somewhere around $399, $400. This broom to you as an installer would be around $250. And that comes with the white labeling. And so when we white label, the broom will have no logos on it, no wording on it. The box will come with your logo on it. There's options if you want to add your logo to the broom. We can certainly do that for an additional cost. But the base price at $250 is going to get you a white label box. So when you deliver that to the client, they're getting an ABZ Turf Company power broom, at least so they think.
Yeah, exactly. So now here's the cool thing. They're all going to be this color, right? If you buy 10 at a time. Now, we have some companies that, turf distribution companies and stuff like that, they say they may want a red one, a blue one, a gold one, whatever you want, right? We can make any color of this and put your logos on it, dial it in, custom box. You just have to buy 200 of them, right? So 200 of them, you may think, well, how much is that? It's $40,000. It may seem like a lot, but you can actually double your money on these machines if you buy it in bulk.
Absolutely. Yeah. No, the opportunity is there, guys. And ultimately, your customers are going to go find these on Amazon. They're going to find them from other distributors. And so why not take advantage of the opportunity? You have the rapport with the client. You're already there on site. They don't have to wait for it to come in. You can say, hey, look, I've got one of these in the truck, so I'll sell it to you. Or if you want, like Nick said, if you want to include it in your cost and you're going to give it to them for free, even better. So you're not looking at raising your prices all that much. If you're buying this at $250 and you're going to give it for free to your consumer, maybe 20, 30, 50 cents, depending on what your pricing structure looks like. But the client, you're gonna basically bury it there in the overall cost of the project, and the client's gonna feel like they're getting a much better service from you guys as opposed to going with the competition.
Absolutely, and really at the end of the day, they're gonna get an awesome machine that's gonna take care of the lawn that you provided them, and everybody's happy. Less callbacks, you can go over everything, and whenever you give these brooms or they purchase these brooms, their friends that have artificial turf, they're going to say, where'd you get the broom from? Oh, I got it from ABC Lawn Care or whatever, turf installation company. Oh, cool. Can I get their number? Now you've got a rapport with them. You go check their turf, right? They may have some rips in the seams. They may need new turf. So now you're in with that house. You're going to redo their lawn and get them a machine. So it's a bang for your buck, guys.
Yeah. It's really just an all-around solution. It's just another turnkey option for your clients to provide just one extra added step to take your services for your clients to the next level. And I think that this is going to be just an amazing opportunity for the turf companies that take advantage of it. And so I think right now we're running a pre-sale option on this until February 1st. And so if you want to pick up turf brooms for the 2025 season, ordered by February 1st, those brooms will ship in roughly around 3 to 4 months. You'll have them right in the midst of the hot season, which is the best time for artificial turf of the year.
Yep.
And so you'll be able to sell these or add them to your services for your clients and really just have an amazing season by offering something different than everybody else.
Yeah, so guys, look, we're only selling these to artificial turf companies because that's our industry. We want to help the industry out. So we're not giving it to any Joe Blow off the street. You've got to have an artificial turf company. So guys, click the link below or in the comments, right? Click the link, it'll take you to the website. You can order there, and we look forward to seeing you.
Thank you so much.